What's going on, everyone? Kevin from Epic Gardening here. Today we're actually going to be taking this loquat tree, giving it a little bit of a haircut. Honestly, I have two loquat trees. One you probably can't see, it's a volunteer, so I'm going to get rid of that one completely. And then this one here, you can see some of that top growth. It's just blocking too much of the front yard garden, and I would rather sacrifice some loquat production for some more sunlight coming through on some of my raised beds. So we're going to talk about that today. Pretty simple one. Hope you enjoy the video. So when it comes to timing for pruning your loquat tree, basically after the fruiting has happened for the season, so late summer, early fall, that's gonna help you not sacrifice any of the production. Obviously, the stuff you cut off is not gonna produce next year, but you're not gonna sacrifice the season's production. So late summer, early fall, you can give it a nice haircut. Let's go ahead and get to it.
So this is me pruning the mature loquat tree. Now, if you're growing one from scratch and it's in the first 2 years of growth, you should prune it every couple of months during the first 2 years, cutting off those growing tips, keeping the branches shorter than 3 feet. That's to keep them nice and bushy, more branches, not fewer branches that are longer. Now, cut off any dead branches, any twigs, any dead leaves as soon as you see them to decrease the chance of disease, rot, etc. And as far as the mature tree, like you see me doing here, top it off, bring it down below about 10 feet or so, and from there, just prune it as aggressively as you want for your own unique garden goals.
All right, well, we definitely pruned it back pretty severely. And you know, for a loquat tree, it can get upwards of 20 feet tall, but most people who grow them, like myself, I don't want it that tall. It's gonna block too much of my sun. It's gonna be too unruly, and honestly, I don't eat enough loquats for that to be attractive to me. So I pruned it down to about 8-9 feet or so, and it's well in line with the plans for the garden, because as you can see, there's actually another loquat tree right here, and this one is going to get completely removed because it was a volunteer that's grown for many years, and I just simply don't eat as many loquats as that would require, and it's just taking up too much space in the garden. And just so you guys know, there's a lot of stuff going on in the Epic Gardening fall garden right now. Not on a growing perspective, because I've taken a bit of a break from growing, a little August hiatus, but I'm going to be doing some remodeling. So this hibiscus is going to come out. All these beds that you're seeing here, my straw beds, are going to be the soil is going to be reworked a little bit. I found it's still slightly a little too high in clay, so I'm going to dig it out, reformulate it slightly, and I'm actually going to be redoing the pathways here. I'm going to be tidying up the drip irrigation. We're going to be putting in some cool trellises and arches and stuff like that, really preparing for a nice fall garden. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more videos. I wanted to apologize for not getting videos up as frequently lately. Truth be told, I finished my book manuscript. So the Epic Gardening book, which is called Field Guide to Urban Gardening, is going to be coming out spring 2019. Had to get that manuscript in mid-August. It's killing me, so I kind of holed up in a cave for a little bit and got it done. But I'm back now, so I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos for you guys, and would love to know what you'd like to see, so definitely let me know. And stay tuned for a lot of cool updates, both here and on the Instagram. So until next time, good luck in the garden, and keep growing. See ya.